Are you curious about friction in engineering mechanics? Well, let me break it down for you in simple terms. Friction is the force that opposes the motion between two surfaces that are in contact with each other. It's like a natural resistance that arises whenever something tries to move across another surface. Let's imagine a scenario to understand this better. Picture a heavy box sitting on a flat table. Now, suppose you want to slide this box across the table. What happens initially? You might think it would slide effortlessly, but in reality it doesn't. This is because of the force called friction. As you try to move the box, the roughness of the table surface and the weight of the box cause tiny bumps and irregularities to interlock with each other. These interlocking points create resistance, making it difficult for the box to slide smoothly. That's friction in action. Friction can be categorized into two main types: static friction and kinetic friction. Static friction comes into play when there is no relative motion between the surfaces. It prevents an object from sliding when you apply a force to it. On the other hand, kinetic friction occurs when there is relative motion between the surfaces. It opposes the motion of the moving object.
Imagine pushing the box on the table once again.
Initially, before you apply enough force, the box doesn't budge. This is because of static friction, which is keeping the box in place. But as soon as you push harder, the static friction becomes overcome by your force, and the box starts to move. Now, kinetic friction takes over, making it harder to keep the box sliding smoothly. This concept of friction is crucial in engineering mechanics because it affects how different parts and machines interact with each other. Engineers need to consider friction to ensure that machines operate efficiently and reliably. Friction also plays a significant role in determining how much energy is needed to overcome resistance and make things move. So next time you encounter a situation where sliding something proves to be a bit challenging, remember friction is at play. It's the force that opposes motion between two surfaces and can make our lives harder or easier depending on the circumstances. Understanding friction in engineering mechanics helps engineers design more effective and efficient systems that work smoothly, even in the face of this natural resistance.